Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you can see, I am totally in traditional avatar. So today I am gonna doing Onam look for you guys so that you can easily create. This Onam festival is especially celebrated in Kerala or South India. So basically this look I have created for those South Indian people who are celebrating Onam this year. So without any further ado, let's watch the video how I am creating this look. So this look gonna be super easy for you guys, because as we all know, we don't have so much times in special occasion or festival. So let's jump into the video without any further delay. Today I am using Good Vibes Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C helps your skin to brighten up and lighten up, and it will also reduce your dark spots and pigmentation if you are using this regularly on your skin. Always apply a good moisturizer or a serum before doing makeup. It will keep your skin hydrated, and then set it for 2 minutes for better results. After that I am applying a Lakme Absolute Primer. It will mattify my skin and also close all my open pores. So I'm applying it all over my face where I have open pores or pores. And primer makes your skin more flawless, and foundation will easily glide on your skin, easily blendable. Now I'm applying a concealer. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me one. So I'm in the shade medium. So if you are in my skin tone, you can definitely purchase this concealer. After that I am blending this concealer with the help of foundation brush. So dabbing motion so that it will give me a flawless finish. Now I am doing my brow. So here I am using brown eyeshadow for filling my brow. Always I fill my sparse area for the natural look. Now I am using Makeup Revolution palette for my eye makeup. Before that I am spooling my brow to give a defined and precise look. First I am taking a peachy shade from this palette and I am gonna apply it all over my crease. So blending is very important, guys. You have to blend very well. Now I'm taking a similar shade. It is a darker peachy sort of shade, and it will give you a very natural look. And I'm gonna blend both the colors very well. Now I'm taking a orange shade. So I'm applying it on my inner corner of eyes and on top of my lid. Now I'm taking a shimmery peachy shade which I am putting on top of my lid to give me a open eye, and the same time it will enhance your eye makeup. So you can use any shimmery shade in your palette, be it golden or silver, any of them. Now I am using a kajal on my eye. I'm using a kajal as a liner. As I told you, I wanna make this eye makeup very natural, so that's why I am gonna smoke out this line. So I'm using a brown eyeshadow here to smoke out. So I'm gonna blend it very well to remove all the harsh lines of kajal. If you want to give a natural eye makeup, you can simply do this technique. You can apply a liner or a kajal and smoked out with any brown eyeshadow you have. So it will give you a very natural eye look. Now I'm gonna apply my kajal on my waterline. I have completed both my eyes. Now I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is a full coverage foundation I'm using here. This is a very nice foundation and I love this foundation so much. It will give you a very mattifying look. Now I'm applying loose powder to set in my foundation. It will give me a flawless look. So always set your foundation before doing highlighter or contouring part. Now I am contouring my face with Sugar Cosmetics. So contouring is good technique to give your face a dimension. So I am contouring my nose as well to sharp them. Now I'm using blush to give my face a fresh look. So I'm applying blush on my cheeks, nose and little bit on chin. Now applying highlighter on my cheekbones and my nose, upper lips and forehead and chin. I forgot to highlight inner corner of my eyes and brow bone, so I highlight them now. It will instantly change your eye makeup when you highlight your brow bone, so don't forget to highlight your brow bone, and it will give you a glowy look all over. Now I'm applying lipsticks and bindi. So bindi is a traditional thing which South Indian people are wearing, and it will completely change my look. It will make me a typical South Indian girl. So now I am applying mascara on my eyelashes, so it will separate my eyelashes completely and also enhance my eye look. So as you know, South Indian wears golden jewelry, so here that's why I'm using golden jewelry to complete my look. So I hope you like this look and my South Indian makeup look. So I made this look so simple and so easy for you guys, so that you can easily do this look on this Onam festival. Guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.